The Armed Forces of the Philippines will be getting integrated Cessna 208 aircraft from the United States funded by the U.S. Defense Department under foreign military sales. Back in 2019, MaxDefense Philippines reported that both the Philippine Air Force and the Philippine Army are interested in getting Cessna C-208B Caravan ISR aircraft after the Philippine Air Force got 2 units of Cessna C-208B Caravan aircraft in 2017. The United States Department of Defense has awarded MAG Aerospace, an American defense contractor based in Fairfax, Virginia, that specialized in intelligence, surveillance and reconnaissance services operations, training and technical services, a contract worth $19,849,304 for integration of intelligence, surveillance and reconnaissance equipment on Cessna 208 Caravan aircraft, with an option of an additional integrated Cessna 208 aircraft, including 1 or 2 years integrated logistic support. According to the released information by the U.S. Defense Department, the contract is expected to be completed by September 30, 2024, which MaxDefense Philippines said that the aircraft will be delivered in between 2022 and 2023. The total contract price for the entire project including the aircraft is worth $23,853,913. It is still unknown who will operate this aircraft. Will the Philippine Air Force bag the third aircraft, or will the Philippine Army get this new aircraft?